Stage 8. What makes a 9? One more stage to go, and I must say that you are doing a fantastic job, and I'm so proud of you. If you've made it this far, thumbs up to you. You deserve all the accolades, right? You're doing a great job. So today, Baby Panda is asking, what makes a 9? Right? So before I show you, I want you to close your eyes and think, what two numbers can you add together that gives you a 9? Let me give you an example. 0 plus 9. 0 plus 9 gives us what? 9. So what two numbers can you add together that gives you a 9? Are you thinking? I don't want you to see mine yet. Think about two examples. Yes, think through it. What numbers can you add together that gives you 9? If you know those numbers, then your 9 times table is done. You crashed it already. Right? Okay, let's see. 0 and 9. 0 plus 9 gives us 9, isn't it? 1 plus 8 gives us what? 9. This is another combination. 2 and 7 gives us 9. 3 and 6 gives us 9. 5 and 4 also gives us 9. And you can also say 4 and 5. Is that not the same thing? We can also say 6 and 3, isn't it? Here we can say 7 and 2, right? You can say 7 and 2. And then we can say 8 and 1. It's still the same thing whether or not we put them in front or change the order, right? So these two numbers, all the combination of these two numbers you must know. Just 5 combinations that makes the 9. 0 and 9, 1 and 8, 2 and 7, 3 and 6, and 5 and 4. So how does this help us? Let's see. When we want to multiply a number by 9, for example, 2 multiplied by 9. So what do you do? And this you have to do mentally, like a fast mental sum. You have to be able to visualize those things and think them through. Now, what you need to do is to reduce the number that you're multiplying by 9 by 1. Like, let's take a step down. So if 2 takes a step down, what does it become? 1, right? So now 1 and what makes a 9? 8. You see, 2 multiplied by 9 actually is 18. You see, that's simple, right? So now 4 multiplied by 9, forget about the 9. Forget about the 9. When you multiply a number by 9, just focus on this number. Now 4 takes a step down and becomes what? 3. Like you count backwards just one time. Now 3 and what makes a 9? 6. That's 36. Let's see the next number. 6 times 9. We forget about this 9 and we say 6. 6 takes a step down and becomes what? 5. Right? One step backward. It takes a step backward and it becomes 5. 5 and what makes a 9? 5 and 4. 6 times 9 is 54. Same way 9 times 6 is 54. Right? So let's see some other examples. Let's see some other examples. Let's say 7 multiplied by 9 gives us what? 7 multiplied by 9. If 7 takes a step backward, it becomes what? 6. That's 6. 6 and what gives us a 9? 6 and what makes a 9? 3. Simple, right? So I'll let you try about 2 before you take your quiz. And make sure that you think through it. It has to be fast. Visualize it, right? So let's try this. Okay, so if you said 81 and 72, you did an amazing job, right? So let's see how far you have gone today. Let's see how far we have gone and what we have left to cover, right? So now our 9 times table is gone. Why? Where's 9 times table? Okay, this is it. So we are striking you out, right? And then because we know that all these 9 times is equally gone, tomorrow the next stage I need, it's super fun. That's where the magic happens, right? So be ready. And let me tell you another thing, you're going to be seeing me live and direct because I'm going to be working this one with you practically, right? Well done, and good job so far. God bless you.